George from AuthentaLink here. Today I'm going to walk you through a new feature of ours called the Council. So the Council is free, takes about 3 minutes, and you bring your own work with you. You can do it on mobile or desktop. So the Council was designed for anyone who is hitting a wall. That wall could be looking to make a career change and trying to get some interviews or trying to make it past a certain stage in the screening process. Could be a person who has been working hard towards a promotion and can't seem to get that promotion. So, how you face the council is you click this wonderful button right here. The council consists of 5 AI reviewers, each with their own distinct personality. They look at the evidence provided to them and then they deliberate. What happens with what you share with us? You yourself stay anonymous. Any file you upload is never stored. Any link you share is not visited. Unclaimed as evidence is deleted after 30 days. You can delete your submission at any time, and we do not use your evidence to train AI models. So, how do you engage with the council? Well, there are 4 different ways. You can describe what you're trying to do, which you fill out that text box. You can upload a file. You could share a link. And you can also go through a guided questions or a form. So, we're going to upload a file and we'll submit. And then after you submit, you can see the council is currently in session. So we're just waiting for each particular council member to do their thing. And once they're done, we will see a overall result as well as a result for each particular council member. So the council has spoken, and these are each individual council member's feedback. So the overall result is the council found 2 gaps. They detail the gaps down here for me. Options after we get what the council says, or we get the feedback from the council, we can face them again, which you'd go through the process again. You could claim this verdict, and then you can claim it, and then it can turn into a chronicle, which is another feature of ours to help build a history of work for yourself. Or we can share this verdict. You can share it with someone in particular. You can share it just on a social as well. And then each council member has their own particular feedback that they've deliberated on. So Ren is our scout. Marlowe is our straight shooter. Sable is the strategist. Vex is the skeptic. And Pip is the wild card. So I'm going to show you something cool about when you share something. So let's share this verdict. Gives you a little bit of blurb about how you're creating a public link, and you control the public link too as well. We're going to hit create. And then we're going to copy it. And if you were to post this, say in an X or a LinkedIn post, this link would have a little card with it. And then someone could click on that and it would take them to a page that was going to look just like this. We'll paste that. And then as you can see, your overall feedback is now created in a nice format that people can review themselves. And if they want, they can go a little bit deeper by putting their own work through the council. And the cool thing about this too is, say you are like, I don't want anyone to use this card anymore. You can just hit unpublish. And then we're going to go hit the unpublish button again. And then that link has now been deleted or unpublished. And we'll go back to this page and we'll go refresh it. And the link is gone too. So the council is a cool way for you, a user, to get some great feedback and hopefully overcome whatever obstacle is currently in your way. So thank you for your time today.